Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and linking accounts. Check Watch OS and iOS, and make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID. Once done, open Wallet on your iPhone and tap Add Card. This initiates the pairing flow specifically for your Apple Watch. You do this on the iPhone because the watch inherits card tokens from the paired device. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active so the devices can exchange the secure payment credentials. Now add cards directly to the Watch app. Open Watch, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, then add card and scan or enter details. You'll complete bank verification via text, banking app, or call. This step issues the token that lets the watch pay without the phone present. Once verified, pick a default card and optionally enable express transit for quick subway or bus taps. Make sure your watch has a passcode. Apple Pay requires it to secure card tokens on the device. To pay, double-click the side button, select a card, and hold the watch near the reader until you feel a tap. That confirms the transaction. If it fails, make sure the card status in the Watch app is active and your iPhone has internet so verification can complete. Once done, try removing and re-adding the card or restarting both devices to refresh tokens. If declines persist, contact your bank. Sometimes they must reauthorize token provisioning on their side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.